Okay, hello, good morning, everyone. This is Zach from XIFU again. Once again, thank you for joining me. If you are here with me, appreciate if you can give me a thumbs up. Okay, help me to click the like buttons for me. Help me to share this out. All right, and then we're gonna start our section this morning. So again, a quick disclaimer: this section here, we are not doing any buy and sell call. So if you want to trade any stocks based on discussion this morning over here, make sure you got your own trading plan. If not, get the advice from the professional. All right. So let's see what is happening this morning. But this morning, some of the counter actually quite active overall. Post to make a movement after the pullback completes. Looks like Upstart, TTWHP, even Cellcon. Okay, it's actually make a strong closing yesterday. I didn't realize that. So let's try and check again this morning. See whether we got another chance for re-entry opportunity or not. Now, this is the IBM KLCI. Okay, again, yesterday tested this area again. Like I say, 1500 area is a quite a crucial area, right? Quite a crucial area. So breaking above this level over here will means that there's a potential reversal in IBM KLCI, and hopefully later on it will go on to continue to change 1600. Right, so today again, if you notice, they are still testing around this area over here. Hopefully, we don't see any shooting star closing above 1500 strongly. Hopefully, come with volume is a good sign. Okay, it's a good sign. So now let's look into some individual stocks and some of the counters that actually we have been monitoring. Okay, for the past since I think last week. First of all, Cellcon. Okay, let's say Cellcon I exited already, but looks like they make a strong closing yesterday. Okay, today dropped a little bit, but volume damn high. 30 minutes with the volume so high. Okay, but it's okay. Like I say, above 310, I still think that they do have opportunity as long as they're above 310. So probably later on, or maybe today is Thursday, Friday. If let's say they continue to retest around this area over here, probably I will reconsider again to look for entry. Okay, but anyway, this is for me. This is they are doing a very nice pullback completes. Okay, around this area over here, and I still believe that they got chance to retest around 360 level. Okay, so now let's go into the next one. Cellcon we have against Hata. Okay, Hata actually is still waiting. This one a bit similar like kind of similar like Post also. Okay, Post this morning I chased. I think I posted before market opens about Post doing a pullback. Open is very active already, so I chased a little bit. All right, but against a quick profits is pretty good. Okay, for Post this morning. So okay, now against a nice gap around here, and then we have a nice retest above the support level. So low volume actually is great. Okay, because this representing there is less sell is happening around the support area. All right, so like I say, I'm still waiting for Hata. Hopefully, there is a nice movement soon. Okay, from Hata. Hey, good morning, Sriwa. Okay, do let me know any counters you want me to look into. So probably we can check and discuss from here. All right, so Hata, we have Hata, Cellcon, Opstar. TTVHB, unfortunately, I didn't enter because I already got Opstar already. So yeah, but it looks like TTVHB is much more stronger. Okay, but never mind, it's fine. Okay, reverse a little bit. Okay, hopefully, like I said, yesterday they're able to close above 570. Volume is good for me. Okay, so hopefully next one they will continue to challenge this level over here, 650. Right. So the other one is TTVHB. Like I said, I didn't enter for this, unfortunately, because I already got Opstar. But muscle wrong boat. Looks like this one is much more faster. Okay, this one yesterday 10%. Okay, the main area, okay, that I think we can focus is around, I think starting around 77 cents. Okay, it's good to consider some partial profit rate because here looks like they got lots of rejections happening somewhere here. All right. Okay, any other counters I'm going to look into, do let me know. Okay, now let's go into Post. Okay, let's say Post this morning, I big kanchong, so chase a little bit. Actually, it's a nice pullback. Like I said, this one is a bit kind of like what is happening in Hata right now. I kind of like it because here we got some narrow spread happening with a low volume. Today, good volume coming in. Okay, with the good volume. But I locked my profits already. Okay, not much. I think it's just around 7% plus. Okay, but it's also good within the first 30 minutes. Okay, so managed to lock it. Hey, good morning, Monsieur. Good morning. Any counters from you, Monsieur? Okay, so far I think the other day you asked Opstar. I've been monitoring Opstar because it looks pretty good. Okay, hopefully today we'll continue to move slightly further. Okay, hopefully today can move slightly further. So okay, the other one that actually caught our attention is Salutica. Okay, yesterday volume is great. This is coming from accumulation stage. Okay, this is coming from accumulation stage. Okay, now this one it didn't break and move like post Malaysia, but I think somehow they are kind of similar with this kind of volume. I think somehow they will make a little bit of change of trend. But of course, yesterday I think it's around 17% movement. So if you look into here, 23% movement. So I'm not going to chase right now, okay, because the risk is pretty high because if you enter right now, if they go back to 20 cents or so, around 20% losses already. So I think what I'm going to do is that maybe I'll check my somewhere around my support level over here, 22 cents, okay, or maybe actually a bit more stingy one, maybe 21 cents or 20 half cents, okay, and a half cents, okay. So this is somewhere that area that I'm looking for enter, okay, with a pullback with low risk. Okay, kind of similar like Post. Okay, I think Post also having that. Even like Opstar, DTV should be also having it. Okay, sometimes when they break like this, okay, sometimes they break like this. Okay, don't chase immediately. Okay, again, market is still, for me, it's still in a downtrend line. KRSC, because like I say, as long as they didn't break above 1500, still consider it. Okay, so I don't want to chase that. Okay, so sometimes they will make a deep pullback. Okay, almost back to the support. Right. So hopefully, Salutica be able to see this pattern very similar. Okay, like post Malaysia. Okay. The other one that I can think of is there are a few actually yesterday. Okay, but later on we check our so-called alerts. Oh yeah, Mr. DIY. Okay, some of these few counter that we missed previously. Okay, Harlan, I'll take a look at Harlan. But Harlan, nice pullback, if I'm not mistaken. But after that, I didn't really follow really Harlan. Okay, this one didn't really make a deep pullback. Actually, I'm still waiting for them to make a deep pullback. I was waiting at 150 the other day, but too bad they didn't pull back to the level. Straight away jalan. So hopefully soon they will do so. Okay, so yes, this one also, I parking my alerts over there. If let's say it hits, I will take a look. If let's say then it's okay, we still got plenty. I can say nowadays we got few more options, okay, to look into. Now copy also, okay, make a reversal. Hey, nice movements. Okay, let's see hourly chart. Okay, this one is still okay. They are not really far away from the main support. So okay, right, later hourly chart, let's say touch 20 MA, maybe can try a bit. I'm not sure. Okay, like this. Maybe zigzag like this. Okay, with low volume, I think would be good. Okay, the other one is 99 speed mark. Okay, so some of them actually make a nice reversal. I was expecting a pullback, but yesterday, 99 speed also they reversed up a bit. Okay, this one I'm actually waiting for 21 cents, but looks a bit difficult right now. Okay, but it's okay. Let's see, maybe 21.5 cents. Okay, because today dropped a bit, but low volume, which means they are still background wise still very strong. Okay, I still think that maybe 99 still got a chance to retest higher later on. Okay, now do let me know any counters you want me to look into. If not, we just check Harlan. Okay, from Monsieur over here. Okay, so like I say, Harlan's the other day we got a pullback. Okay, I remember 2-3 weeks ago we talked about Harlan's goes up, hammer, pullback. Okay, but after that they didn't follow because Harlan for me is always a bit boring kind of counters. Okay, so but again, this side I think is plantation also. Plantation nowadays also didn't really follow closely. Okay, but I didn't notice that they actually make a nice strong pullback complete. So this is a pullback complete candle. Okay, here this strength candles over here, this triangle is a pullback complete candle. Okay, so for me, setup is good. Support, okay, I think as long as if you are looking for EP, support near with the strength candle should be quite safe. Okay, which is currently I think they are very close. Not too far away. I think still fine. Okay, over here, this trend candle, the low of this trend candle will serve you as a support. Now, previously here also, okay, here also your support. Okay, but now we got a new trend candles ready, so we use the latest one. So 53 cents, I believe this is the 53 cents level. It's a good level for you to pay attention to, or maybe you want to look for entry. Okay, so somehow around 54 and a half, I think is also a good area to look for opportunity also. So overall, yes, nice setups, moving up in the uptrend. Pullback completed. Looks like potentially they got a continuations from here. All right. Okay, any other counters you want me to look into? Okay, today, this morning, at least got a little bit of actions coming in. So let's try from my alerts over here, anything that is interesting that I can spot. The nugget, the one ready lah. Okay, unless I want to look back for my long-term opportunity, but right now I want to look for a bit of short-term one. Okay, VS seems like doing a little bit of reversal as well. Volume yesterday is great. Okay. Post, okay, post we know already. Just now we did review. JHM. Okay, JHM tried to close gap, but volume a bit low. Okay, again, this is not my favorite. Okay, so we look for something that is better. Okay, DRB Highcom. This one got a chance to do further technical rebound. Okay, this one got a chance to do further technical rebound. Eco World. Okay, this one a bit similar like Gamoda. Okay, closing gaps. So no volume. Powerwell. Okay, all these counters coming back ready. Okay, looks like holding well. Hey, this one looks like YTR power. Okay, holding well. Any others? Any others? Okay, SRP tag. Okay, today looks like quite active. Keep the stock keep coming in, which is nice. All right. Okay, we got some volume coming up from SRP tag. Looks good. KJTS. KJTS got shaker complete. Okay. KJTS got shaker complete. But again, it's not a setup that I'm looking for. I'm looking for setup that is more obvious. Past tag. Okay. Hey, past tag also doing a so-called kind of like a pullback kind of patterns. Okay, you can see high volume here. Okay, and subsequently a deep pullback. But this one maybe need a little bit of patience because why? Unlike like post all these kind of counters, they rebounded from 2040 quickly, but this one is trading below 2040. So which means the rebound probably will take a while. The pullback complete probably will take a while. Okay, we got Gadang. Downtrend, no. Okay, CMB also coming back. Okay, trying to close gap, but it's at the gap. Okay, usually at the gap, I a bit takut. Iconic. Okay, illiquid. Yeah, looks like today nothing much to see. Okay, Adaran. Oh, okay, yes, Adaran is good. Adaran is good. Okay, so we got some sort like a shakeout here. So here, okay, we got a shakeout here, right? Retest support. Okay, so this looks like a pullback in this level. So of course, long term wise, they are actually in a real conversion. This is back to 2024 August the time. Again, this one is due to what already? Is it due to DC also? Okay, but anyway, here looks like very nice here, breaking back to the previous support. Retest above 2040s. Now this one low volume. Okay. Now the question is whether it's worth to look into or not, right? Because why? If let's say I manage to enter near support, this is around 1.4, and then I am around 1.7. Okay, so 30 cents, boleh lah, turnover percent kind of range, still worth to look into. Okay, so let's say back to here, I think it's also a good counters. Okay, to do a bit of considerations. Okay, let's take a look into MREG. This is from Suiwa. Do let me know any other counters that you want me to look into. Oh yeah, of course, Almas. Almost the day a big kanchong enter already, so right now stuck a bit. Okay, but gold prices will pull back, so I have to wait for next round. Okay, MIEG, like I said, MIEG, MBSB, P Metal, if I'm not mistaken, and there's one more. They're actually doing a shakeout. So far, I think still fine. Yeah, but drop a bit of 90 cent. Actually, above that 90 cent would be much more better. Okay, so this is like a shakeout complete. Normally, got shakeout complete is a good sign, which means PST got lots of sellers coming in, but at the same time, buyer try to push you back. So if let's say they continue to hold over support again, it's a good setups for you to consider. All right. So of course, right now it's below 90 cents a bit. So, but if you look into the slightly longer term one, okay, overall they are actually still in a kind of like a reaccumulation because MIEG has been in a zone for some time already. Okay, so definitely this one requires a little bit of patience. But I'm sure Sui, while you're looking for entry or exit, probably if you don't mind, you can share with me. If you're looking for entry, right now actually is very close to support, which is low risk, but against MIG is something that probably you have to bear in mind. You have to hold slightly longer one, because they have been trading in the range for some time already. Okay, somewhere here. Okay, maybe later on they will turn around, back again, turn around, back again before break. Okay, form a triangle like this. Okay, this is again based on weekly chart. Okay, so this is MYEG. Any other counters? If not, I'll take a look into my Almas' last one. Okay, before we end our section here. So Almas also shakeout completes. Yeah, this is another one shakeout completes. But like I said, unfortunately, the other day shooting star dropped further to retest support. Okay, hopefully it can rebound from 750. Okay, but so far so good. Okay, for Almas. Okay, let's take a look into the other two. P Metal. Because shakeout counter is worth to pay attention to. Yeah, but this one didn't hold. Never mind. Okay, this one we can come back again 1-2 weeks later on. P Metal MBSP. Okay, still holding. Okay, still holding. But need to monitor for few more days or maybe 1 or 2 weeks. Like MIG, P Metal also sometimes they fail a bit before they come back up. Okay, so with this, once again, thank you for joining me this morning over here. So hopefully my daily morning section here actually do help you to understand a little bit better about the Bursa and overall market conditions. So if you like my section, help me to click the like buttons for me, help me to share this out. We got Telegram. Market is getting better, so hopefully you like my sharing in the Telegram, like the TTHB, Opstar, even Mr. DIY 99. Also, we do posted it before it move further, and again, hopefully we're able to spot more counters, this week and next week. So with this, thank you. I'll see you in the Telegram.